Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. India logs 41,157 COVID-19 cases, 518 deaths in last 24 hours. India on Sunday recorded 41,157 COVID cases and 518 fatalities in the last 24 hours according to the Union Health Ministry data. A total of 42,004 patients recovered in the last 24 hours, which brings the total recoveries to 32,69,796 across the country. The top 5 states which have registered maximum cases are the Kerala with 16,148 cases, followed by Uttar Pradesh, followed by Maharashtra with 8,172 cases, Andhra Pradesh with 2,672 cases, Tamil Nadu 2,205 cases, and Odisha with 2,182 cases. Of the new cases, 76.25% are reported from these 5 states, with Kerala alone responsible for 39.24%. 518 deaths were reported in the country in the last 24 hours. Maximum casualties were reported in Maharashtra with 124 deaths, followed by Kerala with 114 fatalities. Indian recovery rate now stands at 97.31%. India's active cash load stands at 4,22,660 in the last 24 hours. Active cases declines by 1,365. India has administered a total of 51,01,567 doses in the last 24 hours, which covers the total tally of doses administered to 44. Total tally of doses administered. A total of 19,36,709 samples were tested in the last 24 hours. Kanwar Yatra called off in Uttar Pradesh after Supreme Court warns of COVID spread. The Kanwar Sangh has decided to call off this year Kanwar Yatra in Uttar Pradesh in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. The decision has taken on Saturday in consultation with the UP government. Supreme Court asked the Uttar Pradesh government to reconsider its decision to allow symbolic observance of the annual Kanwar Yatra in the state this year. Representing the Uttar Pradesh administration, Additional Chief Secretary Avnish Awasthi, Additional Chief Secretary Navneet Singhal, and Director General of Police Mukul Goyal held a meeting with representatives from the Kanwar Sangh on Saturday. The Kanwar Yatra has been cancelled by the Kanwar Sanghs on the appeal of the Uttar Pradesh government, Navneet Singhal to the India TV told. The decisions to call off this year Yatra was taken during the meeting on Saturday, keeping in mind the threat it would be posed at a time when India is looking at a potential third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha has already banned this year Kanwar Yatra in view of the coronavirus pandemic. Ireland's Simi Singh, first cricketer to score ODI century batting at number 8 has India connect. Frost stated that his cricketing career was not going anywhere and 18-year-old Simranjit Singh Akka Simi Singh of Mohali, Punjab packed his bag for Ireland in 2005 to pursue hotel management. Very little did Simi know that destiny had something else in the store for him, as cricket followed him to the Ireland as well. He came to know that he could pursue his cricket and academic simultaneously. So, in 2006, he joined Malahide Cricket Club in Dublin as a professional. But to the present, life came full circle of the Mohali-born cricketer. He scored his Maidan International century against South Africa at the same ground where his cricketing journey in Ireland began. It was really an emotional knock. After completing my century at the moment, I saw my entire journey in a flashback. Scoring a century at this ground where it all started is going to stay forever with me, Simi Singh told India Today in from Dublin. The most satisfying thing about the knock was that it came against the likes of Notje, Anvi Samsi Tabriz and Maharaj Keshar, a top-class South African attack. On top of it, my strike rate was also good, added Singh. Simi has played 30 ODIs and 24 T20s for Ireland since making his international debut in 2017 against New Zealand. Earlier this year, in the February against UAE, Simi scripted another world record. The all-over scored a brisk 54 not out, then delivered one of the most economical 5-wicket hauls in ODI history. Before Thursday, Simi had only one half-century each in the ODIs and T20s wicket. He was in the team for his off-spin bowling. Interestingly, in his early days, he used to be part-time bowler. After the South Africa series, Ireland will play a white ball series against Zimbabwe. Starting August 6, Ireland will play 3 ODIs and 5 T20s against Zimbabwe.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.